Hi guys, this is Sun Creations Motive. Let's talk about the Rolls-Royce Motor Cars history. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited in British luxury automobile making, a wholly owned subsidiary German group BMW. It was established in 1998 after BMW was licensed the rights of the Rolls-Royce brand name and logo for Rolls-Royce plc and acquired the rights to the split of extension and Rolls-Royce grill shape trademarks from Volkswagen AG. Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited operates from the purpose-built of administrative production facilities opened in 2003 across from the historic Goodwood Circuit in Goodwood, West Sussex, England. United Kingdom Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited in the exclusive manufacture of Rolls-Royce branded motor cars since 2003. Although the Rolls-Royce brand has been in use since 1906, the Rolls-Royce Motor Car subsidiary of BMW AG has no direct relationship to Rolls-Royce branded vehicles produced prior to 2003, other than being a major engine and other supplier prior to 2003. The Bentley Motor Limited subsidiary of Volkswagen AG is direct successor of Rolls-Royce Motors and various other producers entities that produced by Rolls-Royce and Bentley branded cars between the foundation of each company and 2003, when the BMW controlled entity started production cars under the Rolls-Royce brand. The Rolls-Royce Phantom 4-door sedan was the first product of sale in 2003. Since then, the company has expanded the product line to include the extended wheelbase two-door coupe and convertible versions of Phantom sedan as well as the smallest Ghost 4-door sedan, bright two-door Dawn and convertible and clean SUV. History of Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce of Motor Cars Limited was created as a wholly owned subsidiary of BMW in 1998 after BMW licensed the rights to the Rolls-Royce brand named a logo Rolls-Royce Holding plc and acquired the rights to the split of extension. Although the Rolls-Royce brand has been used since 1906, the fate of the brand diverged between 1998 and 2003. In 2003, the Rolls-Royce Motor Car subsidiary of BMW AG, which has been majority supplied to the brand to 2000, began manufacturing vehicles with the Rolls-Royce name. Volkswagen AG took ownership of Bentley as well as previously Rolls-Royce production facilities and previous Rolls-Royce license. Current Chief Executive Torsten Müller-Waterhaus joined the company in January 2010. Will pledge the region the quality standards that made Rolls-Royce famous. That IS sales in China increased by 600%, marketing in the company of second largest market of the US, ownership and license of trademarks. And 1998, Vickers said to sell Rolls-Royce. The most likely buyer was BMW, which already supplied engines and other components for Rolls-Royce and Bentley cars, but BMW finally offered of 340 million was beaten the Volkswagen for 30 million. The situation in the ownership documents of Rolls-Royce recorded the Rolls-Royce Holding plc, the aero engine maker, would retain the certain essential trademarks, including the Rolls-Royce name and logo, if the automotive divisions was sold all through Vickers plc, sold the vehicle designs, name, place, administrative executive, production facilities, split of agency of Rolls-Royce grill shape trademarks to Volkswagen AG. Rolls-Royce plc closed to the license the Rolls-Royce name and logo to BMW AG for 40 million because Rolls-Royce plc had recently had business ventures with BMW. BMW contract to supply engineers and components to Rolls-Royce Motors allowed BMW to cancel the contract with 12 months. Notice Volkswagen would be enabled to re-engine the Rolls-Royce and Bentley vehicles to use other engines within the frame rate. With the Rolls-Royce brand identification marks split between the two companies and Volkswagen engine supply in the geography, two companies entered into negotiations. Volkswagen agreed to sell BMW to split of extension and grill shape trademarks of BMW, agreed to the continue supplying engines components until 2003. Volkswagen continued to produce Rolls-Royce branded vehicles between 1998 and 2003. They gave BMW time to build new Rolls-Royce administrative headquarters, production facilities on the good estate near the service exist and to develop the Phantom, the first So from the new company, Rolls-Royce Motors Car Limited between the exclusive manufacturer of Rolls-Royce branded cars in 2003. Rolls-Royce announced in September 2014 that was a new technology and logistics center will be built, due to open in 2016, 8 miles away from the main headquarters in the Sicilian resort of town of Borgon Regis. Products Ghost. From the 2010 Ghost 4-door sedan, Rolls-Royce announced in September 2006 that was developed in 4-door model named Ghost. The Ghost will be smaller than the previous Rolls-Royce automatic launched the Phantom. Only 20% of the components would be sourced from the BMW F017 series. It will be positioned between the Phantom. Next, the Rolls-Royce Wraith. It's launched from 2013 with couple Rolls Motor launched a new car of Geneva Motor Show on 5th March 2013. Rolls-Royce Dawn. From 2015 Dawn 4-seater convertible, it was announced in time of the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show. Rolls-Royce Phantom. Rolls-Royce unveiled a new Phantom at the Great 8 Phantom Exhibit, which would go into production on the end of the 2017, with sales started in 2018. Rolls-Royce Phantom 2003 to 2016 Phantom 4 design launched in January 2008 Daytona North America International Auto Show. This is the first model from Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited. The car has the 6.76 liter V12 engine sourced from BMW. If you like this video, subscribe and click the bell icon and join my notification squad.